Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video we're going to be making Italian meat sauce. So to begin, we need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to add this into a big saucepan that's heated to medium-high heat. And then we're going to go ahead and add a large chopped onion. And we're going to cook this down until the onions are nice and translucent. And then we're also going to add about 1 to 2 minced cloves of garlic. And just give this 30 seconds or so until the garlic starts to be aromatic. Next we're going to add a pound of ground beef, and then I'm also going to add our seasonings while the beef is cooking. And I'm going to go ahead and add a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of thyme, a tablespoon of basil, and a tablespoon of oregano. I'm also going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I know it doesn't sound like much, but we're going to add a little bit more salt in another form a little later on. Once our beef is fully cooked, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 small can of tomato paste, 15 ounces of tomato sauce, and 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. And then I'm going to also add about 1 to 2 cups of water, and I like to pour the water into the tomato paste, tomato sauce cans, and make sure you get all the tomatoey bits out. And then I'm just going to stir everything together, and I'm going to go ahead and add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Just this little amount of baking soda is going to cut the acidity in the sauce and make it taste really good. It also adds a little extra salt to compensate for the small amount that we added earlier during the seasoning process. And then we're just going to let everything simmer for about 10 minutes. You can let it go for a little longer, but 10 minutes is good enough. And here's the finished product, Italian meat sauce. You can add it to any of your pastas or casserole dishes. It's pretty versatile. You can throw it in the freezer and take it out in the morning and use it in the evening. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.